In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a delightful word search puzzle using ChatGPT and Canva. This is a fun and engaging way to combine creativity and technology, whether you're making puzzles for education, personal use, or just for fun. So let's dive right in and get started with this simple yet exciting project. First, we'll begin by opening ChatGPT. Head over to chat.openai.com and log in with your credentials. ChatGPT will be our secret weapon for generating the content of our word search. It's a fantastic tool that can help you quickly create puzzle ideas without needing extensive expertise or time. Now that you're logged in, it's time to unleash some creativity. Next up, we need to generate the word search content. In the chat, type something like, "Create a 10x10 word search puzzle with 10 hidden words about animals." By phrasing it this way, ChatGPT will understand that you want a grid that is 10 squares by 10 squares, with 10 words buried within, all themed around animals. In a brief moment, it'll present you with a neatly structured puzzle grid and a separate word list. This is your basic template that you'll use for your puzzle design. Once you have the puzzle grid and word list, you'll want to highlight the text to copy it. Click and drag your cursor over the text, and then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This will copy the grid and the list into your clipboard, making them ready to paste over into your design software. Now, let's head over to Canva.com. If you aren't already a member, you can sign up for free and access a wide variety of creative design templates. In the search bar, type Puzzle Template to find an assortment of fun options to start with. Choose one that strikes your fancy or best fits the aesthetic you're going for. In the Canva editor, paste your puzzle grid by clicking on the area where you want it and pressing Ctrl+V. Don't forget to add another text box for your word list, so players know what to hunt for in the grid. Canva makes it really easy to manage text boxes, so feel free to play around with the placement until it looks just right. To make your word search more visually appealing, you can customize the fonts and borders to add some flair. You might want to choose a theme-appropriate title, such as Animal Word Search, to give it personality. Fiddle with colors and styles until you feel satisfied with the overall look. Once everything is polished to your liking, save your work, and you're done. What you now have is a beautifully crafted word search puzzle, created with the ease of ChatGPT and the design prowess of Canva. It's a perfect match of technology and creativity, providing endless opportunities for engaging content creation. Thank you for joining me in today's video, and until next time, happy creating!